Hello everybody, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. I am Anushka and today let me take you back to my own childhood with a little personal story that I believe will strike a chord with every parent watching this video. Well, as a child, for me Independence Day wasn't just a date on the calendar. It was an event we eagerly looked forward to as a family. I still remember the excitement the night before, carefully placing out my white kurta set and having my mother remind me, we have to wake up early tomorrow. Those mornings always started sooner than usual, not because of an alarm clock, but thanks to my own anticipation. I would rush to the little shop on the corner, clutching a few rupees I had saved up, and buy a handful of those miniature paper and cloth national flags. With the tricolour in hand, I felt like a mini patriot, ready to take on the world. But you know, as a child, all of these rituals shaped the way I saw and interacted with the world. I later realized that these festival experiences taught me fundamental social skills and the early seeds of empathy, which children so desperately need today as well. Now let's talk about why all this matters so much for our kids. Festivals are an integral part of India. Each one is completely unique with its own stories, traditions, values, and most importantly, opportunity to connect with others. For children, these occasions aren't just about wearing new clothes or eating sweets. They are a classroom for life, packed with real-life lessons in empathy, cooperation, and respect for diversity. Now, how festivals build social skills. Children learn social skills by doing, not just reading or being told what to do. Festival gatherings, whether it's a school parade, a family dinner, or a community event, give children a chance to interact with people of different ages and backgrounds, greeting elders, chatting with cousins, or just saying Happy Independence Day to neighbors. I mean, it all helps kids practice speaking with confidence, listening patiently, and adjusting to different social situations. Festivals teach respect for diversity. India's greatest strength is its diversity. Different cultures, religions, languages, and festivities. By participating in a wide range of festivals, children naturally learn to appreciate and celebrate differences. They hear different languages, taste different food, and understand new customs. These experiences build acceptance, respect, and open-mindedness. I mean, isn't it beautiful to see a child light a diya on Diwali and decorate a Christmas tree? Each festival is a doorway to understanding someone else's world. Now, as we have seen, these simple acts repeated year after year slowly shape a child's worldview, helping them grow into a more empathetic, confident, respectful, and socially skilled individual. If you are wondering how to make these benefits a reality for your own child, here are 5 tips that every parent must follow with their kids to enjoy festivals better and make them true learning experiences. Tip number 1. Involve kids in the preparations. As parents, one of the best gifts you can give to your child is involvement. Instead of doing all the festival prep yourself, invite your child to join you. Let them help you buy flags, arrange flowers, or decorate the house. Even small tasks like sticking flags in potted plants or setting up chairs for the family gathering make children feel responsible and included. These moments, simple as they seem, naturally teach kids how to work as a team and care for others. Your kids will remember your togetherness far more than the perfection of decorations. Tip number 2. Share the meaning behind the celebration. Don't just say, today's Independence Day, let's watch the parade. No. Share with your child why we celebrate, what freedom means, and the stories behind the songs and rituals. The more you explain the why, the more your child understands the feelings attached to the celebration. For example, you could share stories of India's independence movement or talk about why charity is an important part of some festivals. Now, these conversations foster a deep sense of empathy for others' sacrifices, struggles, and hopes. Tip number 3, encourage social interactions. If your child is shy, encourage them to participate in small ways. Maybe by handing out flags, presenting a poem, or singing a song. Praise their effort, not just the result. Children don't have to be the loudest in the group. Even a small smile and a polite greeting can be a huge social leap for some. Have them practice saying Happy Independence Day to neighbors, teachers, or even the local shopkeeper. Now, such moments help children build confidence and polish their social skills gently. Tip number 4, celebrate different festivals at home. Even if a particular festival isn't a part of your family tradition, consider marking it in small ways. You can read a story, cook a dish, or make a craft related to that festival. Now, this teaches your child to honor every culture and see the world through a caring, inclusive lens. For instance, you might hang Christmas stars in December or make Pongal sweets to share with neighbors. Tip number 5, create family traditions and rituals. Make certain festival rituals your own, whether it's making a special breakfast on Independence Day, crafting tricolor badges, or watching a favorite movie together. Now, these small but regular customs become the glue that binds families across generations. They will carry the social warmth and values long into adulthood. For example, it is a ritual in my family to make puri sabji on Diwali, and we have been doing it since generations. So now it's our thing, and I hope this continues forever. So now, as I reflect back, I realize how lucky I was to learn some of life's most important lessons through simple acts of participation. Your child is just as fortunate, with every festival offering new opportunities to learn empathy, develop social skills, and build memories that last a lifetime. So today, let's celebrate not just our nation, but also the potential within every child to grow into a compassionate, confident, and socially aware human being through the joy of our festival. Thank you for being with me on this special day. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Planet Spark for more such interesting videos. Till then, bye-bye.